Today we're going to look at the 3 ways to do a quick cash receipt from the customer. Starting from the customer card, we can go straight into Actions and then register a customer payment. From this screen, we can pick the invoice for which the customer is paying, simply select it, put in the date received, the amount received, and we can enter an external document number, such as their check number or EFT. Once we've entered the information, we can go to our posting and simply post the payments. There we go. Our cash receipt is done. It's fully applied to the invoice, and the invoice no longer has a remaining amount, and it disappears from our list. Method number 2, from the Actions menu, we can go right ahead and do a post cash receipt. This time, the system will bring us to a cash receipt journal. We enter the date, the document type, it's a payment. We can allow the system to default the document number. We're receiving it from a customer. We can update the description, which is by default the customer's name, but we can add a description that'll follow through to the general ledger. You don't have to enter an amount right away. On the other side, you pick the bank account to which you're going to enter it directly into. And in the applies to document number, you'll notice there's 3 little dots known as the ellipses. When we click on the ellipses, it'll bring up a list of outstanding invoices and the balance due. You can just simply pick one line only. So we'll pick the first invoice here, and we will click on the OK button. You'll notice that it brings in the invoice number, and it also brings in the amount automatically for us, so we don't have to do it. From here, we can simply go to Post and post the transaction, and that'll create all the appropriate journal entries to the ledger entry, to the customer ledger, and to the bank account ledger. The third way of doing it, very similar. We start from our cash receipt journal. Again, we pick our document type of payment. We pick our customer. And this time, instead of going into the applies to document number, we go over and we take process and apply entries. This will bring up the same window as before in order to apply it. But this time we can select more than one line item. So we'll go ahead and we'll click on select more, grab the first 2, and from here, under process and a set applies to ID, you'll notice that it takes the same document number from the previous screen. And if we're satisfied, we can just go ahead and press OK. You'll notice that it brings in the full amount. And from here, we can just simply go and post our transaction. And voila, you're done. Those are the 3 ways: cash register, cash receipt journal, and using the document number, and then the last one by going into the applying for multiple invoices at the same time.